we are going to learn about force and laws of motion. Force is a push or pull on an object that produces acceleration in the body on which it acts. The SI unit of force is Newton. A force can do three things to a body. It can change the speed of a body. It can change the direction of motion of a body. It can change the shape and size of a body. Now, let's explore how the mass of an object impacts the force applied to it. Forces are said to be balanced forces if they nullify one another and their resultant force is zero. When two opposite forces acting on a body move a body in the direction of the greater force, or forces which brings motion in a body are called as unbalanced forces. Next, we'll delve into the history of these concepts, starting with a key figure in the field of physics. Who was Isaac Newton? Isaac Newton was a renowned physicist and mathematician from England who discovered in 1687 the correlation between force and motion. Today, his three laws of motion are instrumental in describing the movement of any object in the universe. Let's begin by understanding the first of these fundamental laws. Newton's first law of motion. Any object remains in the state of rest or uniform motion along a straight line until it is compelled to change that state by applying an external force. This introduces us to a concept called inertia. Inertia is the tendency of an object to resist a change in motion. This means that an object will either stay at rest or continue moving in a straight line at a constant speed. Acceleration is the change in the speed or direction of an object's movement, calculated as change in velocity upon time. Building on this, let's look at how force directly relates to motion and acceleration according to Newton's second law. The rate of change of momentum of an object is proportional to the applied unbalanced force in the direction of the force. This can be expressed as force is equal to mass times acceleration. This leads us to understand the concept of momentum. Momentum is the measure of an object's resistance to changes in its state of motion due to the application of a force. It's defined as mass in motion. Momentum is equal to mass times velocity. This is crucial for understanding the conservation of momentum. A scientific principle that states that the total momentum of a system or group of objects remains constant if no external forces act upon it. This principle applies to objects in motion. It is closely related to Newton's third law of motion, which states that for every action, there is an equal and opposite reaction. m1v1 plus m2v2 is equal to m1 plus m2v. According to Newton's third law of motion, for every action, there is an equal and opposite reaction. This principle helps us understand the effects of forces in interactions between objects. When a force is applied to an object, it will result in a change of momentum. This change may involve a shift in velocity, such as an increase or decrease in speed, or a change in direction. An impulse causes a momentum change, which is calculated as impulse is equal to force exchange in time. And that wraps up our quick journey through the force and laws of motion. Remember, these principles are fundamental to understanding